Have you ever wondered how to install Visual Studio on Windows 11? Well, fret not, because by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to download the installer. To do this, navigate to the Visual Studio official website. Once there, look for the most recent version of Visual Studio Community. This version is free to use, making it the perfect choice for beginners and hobbyists. Click the download button and wait for the installer to download. Now that you have the installer, the next step is to run it. Find the installer in your downloads folder or wherever you saved it, and double-click to run it. A window will pop up, asking you to confirm the installation. Click Continue to proceed. The installer will then prepare the necessary files for installation. This may take a few minutes, so sit back and relax while the installer does its job. Once everything is ready, the installer will present you with a list of workloads to choose from. These workloads are essentially the types of development you want to do. For example, if you want to develop desktop applications, choose the Net Desktop Development workload. You can select as many workloads as you want, but remember that each one will take up additional disk space. After you've made your selection, click the Install button. The installer will then download and install the necessary components for your chosen workloads. This process can take some time, depending on your internet speed and the number of workloads you've chosen. Once the installation is complete, the installer will ask you to restart your computer. Make sure to save any open files and close any running applications before clicking Restart.